Hello, this is Jerome Sirlia, and today I'm going to share to you the third album of my collection. So come, get closer and let's have fun. We're just going to do this real quick. These are the postcards that I'm going to keep, not for exchange. They are all beautiful. Diba? Sa Pilipinas, may hirap na magkaroon at makakita ng mga postcards. And I'm not really happy na hindi magkaroon ng ganoon. So might as well gonna keep them. And I'm going to keep them according sa kung saan sila nabili, right? Most of these are from Europe. Mga iba-ibang artists, hindi ko na sila isinama-sama. Dati sinasama-sama ko sila according sa artist pero right now hindi na. According na lang kung saan sila, kung saang museum nang galing. Yun na lang. Pero yung I really shy away talaga sa mga religious. Diba sa mga museum sa States, sa Europe, it's nice. Pero kapag hindi talaga, it's okay. Wala na nga ako halos mabiling postcards, yung mga ganyan. Pero kapag nakita ko National Bookstore, sa National Bookstore, I buy some postcards kung anong meron. Pero kapag wala, it cannot be helped. Okay, by the way, this is in 6 parts. So, pinapakita ko sa inyo lahat yung mga postcard ko. Actually, more of para din naman sa sarili ko to para maalala ko kung ano yung meron ako dati. And, yun. Pag wala akong ginagawa, gusto kong panoorin nyo kung anong meron ako. Diba? Ganun lang naman kadali yun. This is one of my favorite, Sleeping Boy. Kasi yung parang naalala ko yung bata ko, little boy blue, come blow your horn, the sheep in the middle, the cows on the corn. Where's the little boy sleeping at the hay? Yung parang ganun story niya. Pero I'm not so sure kung ganun. Ay, kulang ng hindi ko napansin, pero it's okay. Doesn't matter. Kasi minsan nagdodoble yung ko. Ito, mukha siyang batang matanda. And most of them, of course, they are mega rich. This one are clouds. This one I like also. Albert Anker, Pierre Bonnard. Yeah. Mga Paul Klee. the last. There you go. The last one is Paul Quick. Okay, thank you for watching. Please watch if you have time yung part 4. Bye for now.